Welcome to TimeWalker, Footsteps Through History, a journey through the past, told through the places, people and stories that shaped our world. From the beaches of Dunkirk and the D-Day landings, across the Atlantic to Plymouth, Salem, Boston and Nantucket Island in New England, we explore history where it happened. Our travels uncover the battlefields of World War I and World War II, the trenches and the silent cities, those vast cemeteries that hold the memory of sacrifice across Europe and beyond. We walk the early paths of the Pilgrims, trace the steps of the American Revolution, and visit places where faith, fear and freedom shaped nations. From the quiet harbors of New England to the haunting silence of Krakow and Auschwitz, every journey blends cinematic drone footage, on-location storytelling, and personal family history connections. Because history isn't just found in books, it's written in the ground beneath our feet. TimeWalker, Footsteps Through History. By the creators of World War I, History, Tommy Atkins, Frontline 14 to 18.